morning, students. Welcome to class 2. Before we start our lesson, we're going to sing this little song, and I want you to sing along with me. Good morning to you, and how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Class 2, how are you? Well, I hope that you're all doing fine, and I hope that you're in the right spirit to learn. So before we start our lesson today, we are going to do a little icebreaker, which is to sing the days of the week. Let's see who can sing it with me. Let's go ahead. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So let's lift our fingers in the air. Raise your fingers, and we're going to sing the days of the week while we're counting on our fingers to see how many days make one week. Let's go. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So let's count how many days make one week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days make one week. So let's run on over to our cow right here. Let's see what Mr. Cow has to say. Now, let's read together. Today is, can you guess what day is today? Today is, or you want to say what day was yesterday first and then we move on into today? What day was yesterday? Remember, yesterday was the first day of our online class. So yesterday was, if you said Monday, you're correct. Give yourself a big clap. Right, so yesterday was Monday. So then, if yesterday was Monday, remember we sang the days of the week a while ago. We said Sunday, Monday. Which day comes after Monday? Which is Tuesday. So yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. And Tuesday is on a green paper. Monday is on a pink paper. So let's go again. Let's read together again. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow, this big word is tomorrow will be. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So tomorrow will be Wednesday. And Wednesday comes on a yellow paper. So tomorrow will be Wednesday. If you got it correct, well done. Thumbs up to you. All right, so let's jump straight into our lesson for today. T, O, A, E, O, P, E, O, S, L, So take a look at these letters. These are some letters of the alphabet. Some letters that are in the letters of the alphabet. So little Minnie Mouse heard that I was going to teach these letters today. And guess what little Minnie Mouse did? Little Minnie Mouse gave me a call. And guess what she said? She has all the objects that begin with all these letters. So Minnie Mouse is gonna visit us today. And here she is. Can everybody say hi to little Minnie Mouse? Hello, everybody. And she has all the goodies packed that begin with all these letters that are placed on the board here. So, as little Minnie Mouse give me the objects, I am going to match the objects with these letters. So let's go one by one as little Minnie Mouse is so kind to give me the objects today. So the first item that little Minnie Mouse has for us today is a hat. Can you tell me which letter sound do you hear at the beginning of the word hat? Hat. I'm hearing a sound. I wonder which letter on the board begins with the sound. I think it's letter H. So H says for hat. And we are all going to use the courtesy words today by telling little Minnie Mouse thank you for each item that she brought here today. All right, so let's see which other item she's going to give us. Look what she has. Pineapple. Look at my lips. My lips are folding when I say pineapple. That means you're hearing the sound at the beginning of the word pineapple. So I wonder, I'm going to search for the letter that makes this sound that says P. Here you go. Letter P says P. And letter H for hat says H. Letter P says P. All right. What a kind Minnie Mouse. So each time we got something from little Minnie Mouse, we're going to say, thank you, little Minnie Mouse. So let's see what she has to offer again. Look what she has. 2 lines. Let's count them. 1, 2. And the word lines begin with the L sound. Listen. Lime. Lime. So let's find the letter on the board that begins with the L sound. And if you said L, you are correct. Here is letter L. Straight line down is letter L. All the letters of the alphabet, we have common letters and we have capital letters. But that we will do in another class. Okay? Let's see what Minnie Mouse have for us again. She has, what is this? How many eggs do you see? 1 egg. Let's make the sound. Listen for the sound that you hear at the beginning of the word egg. I'm hearing the sound. That means the word egg begins with the sound. Let's find the letter on the board that begins with E. Here it is. Letter E says E. And we can go ahead and sing this little song. The E says E. The E says E. Every letter make a sound. The E says E. The E starts egg. The E starts egg. Every letter make a sound. The E starts egg. All right. So let's move along. And here she has bread. Look at this big bread. So the word big and bread begins with the same initial sound. Listen again. Big bread. So which sound do you hear at the beginning of the word big and bread? I am hearing the sound. We don't have to say it loud. We can just move our lips like this. bread. Boo begins with the boo sound. So let's find the letter that represents the boo sound on the board. So the letter that represents the boo sound is the letter B. The B says boo for bread and big and other things like banana and boy. All right, let's see what else little kind Minnie Mouse has for us. Thank you, little Minnie Mouse. What is this? It's a soap. 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 Can you hear the sound on my lips? Listen again. It sounds like a snake. Listen. So the snake is coming to bite you. All right, so the soap begins with the sound. So let's find the letter on the board that begins with the sound. And here you, am I correct? Is the letter I make the sound? I don't think so. The letter S says S. So say after me. The S says S for soap and snake. All right, let's move along and we're almost finished. Onion. Onion. I'm hearing the sound. Look on the formation on my lips. Onion. That means onion begins with the O sound. And the letter that says O is letter O. Letter O says O. What about the cup? Look at this lovely cup that she has. Cup. I am hearing the sound. And letter C says, letter C says, all right, moving along. What about tape? Tape. Tape. So let's find the letter that begins with the sound. Because when I say tape, I hear the sound at the beginning. So letter T says T. Letter T says T. All right, the next one now is necklace. Look on the beautiful necklace. I wonder if little Minnie Mouse is going to give me this beautiful necklace. And look on the one that I'm wearing. Are they looking alike? They are both called necklace. And necklace begins with the N sound. Let's find the letter on the board that begins with the N sound. It's not M, but it's N. N says N. Look what else. This is looking so juicy. And guess what? Little Minnie Mouse say, I can take a bite. And this tastes so sweet. And the color of it is red. Can you tell me what it is? It is a melon. And melon begins with the sound. M says This is letter M. Down, over and down, over and down. This is letter M. M says How many letters do we have? I'm wondering if little Minnie Mouse has an object for all the letters that are left on the board, which are U, A, and I. Little Minnie Mouse, do you have another object that begins with A or letter A? Oh, yes, she does. She has an album. Album begins with A sound. And this is letter A says A. A says A for album and apple. All right. U. Can you make the sound of letter U? U says O. Almost sound like letter O. So, little Minnie Mouse has an umbrella. When do we use this umbrella? I am under the umbrella, and under begins with the O sound, begins with letter U, and umbrella begins with letter U. I'm looking bossy, and the umbrella has the color blue, like my dress. I am wearing a blue dress and the umbrella is blue. So the sound that is at the beginning of the word umbrella is O, and it's letter U. U says for umbrella and under, umbrella and under. The last letter is letter I. Poor little letter I is left alone. Alright, so the I says E. Do you have an item beginning with the E sound? I says E, little Minnie Mouse. Oh no, I'm so sad. She did not take along an object beginning with the E sound. But guess what? I'm not so disappointed. I thank you so much, little Minnie Mouse. But I have one. And it is, let's see what I have beginning with the E sound. Look at this. It's ink. Ink. And I use it on the stamp pad like this. So this is called ink. Look at the ink. And the ink has the color of my dress. The ink is blue like my dress. So ink begin with the E sound. And the I says E. The I says E. So we are finished ticking all the letters on the board. So we have to say thank you to little Minnie Mouse. Everybody go ahead and say thank you, little Minnie Mouse. And she's saying, you're welcome. Bye.